Don't download Wrike Enterprise Project Portfolio app before watching this. Before you download Wrike Enterprise Project Portfolio, here's the surprising truth. Most people think it's just a project tracker. But at the enterprise level, Wrike is a full portfolio management solution that requires proper planning to work effectively. Wrike Enterprise allows teams to manage multiple projects, track resources, set priorities, and automate workflows. But many new users get overwhelmed by dashboards, Gantt charts, and reporting tools they never intended to use. Most people get this wrong. They dive in without mapping out their portfolio first. Step 1. Define your hierarchy. Wrike works best when you categorize projects under portfolios and align them with business objectives. This ensures every team member knows how their work contributes to larger goals. Step 2. Use automation wisely. Wrike can automatically assign tasks, set dependencies, and update statuses. But without careful setup, automations can conflict or create redundant notifications. Start small, then scale. Step 3. Monitor resources and workloads. Enterprise-level reporting lets you spot bottlenecks and balance workloads across teams. But if your team doesn't update task progress, reports become inaccurate and decision-making suffers. The upside? Wrike Enterprise can significantly boost project visibility and efficiency. Teams using it effectively report faster decision-making, fewer missed deadlines, and better resource allocation. So should you download it? Yes, if your organization is ready to structure projects, maintain accurate updates, and leverage automation. If your team prefers lightweight project tracking, simpler tools may be a better fit. Subscribe for more in-depth app insights that help you avoid costly mistakes before downloading.